You want a green bean in the mustard? I don't think so. That's gross. You gonna eat your hot dog? Eat your hot dog. Alright, alright. Beep. Yep, doggy burped.
Beep. Beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep. Oh.
Are you gonna eat your hot dog?
Oh.
Eat your hot dog. No, don't feed the doggy.
Beep.
Eat your hot dog.
Ha ha.
Eat your hot dog. You gonna eat your hot dog with your eyes closed? No. Put it in your mouth. No, it's got plenty on there. No more. Put it in your mouth. Yep, eat it.
No.
Try it. Try it. Go ahead, try it. Try it. Why don't you lick it? Can you lick the mustard off of there? No, please don't make a mess on my table. Lick the mustard off your hot dog. Here. Your cheeks get all red? Look at me.
Right? No.
No? Are you all done?
Done. Done.